I got myself 2 new hives. This one he's picking up right now is about 5 feet. That's a beautiful piece. This is a piece of oak. All the way through, look at that. That'll be nice and easy to work. This is how you do logs for beehives. Get yourself an excavator, or at least know people who've got excavators, with thumbs. Dodge Rams! So this is always the trickiest part of these logs, is getting them out of the truck without breaking your bones or killing yourself. So I'm going to try and get the chainsaw to this right now and cut it in half. I don't know if you can see this fungus, but if anybody knows what that is, tell me. Thanks. It's going to get chainsawed out. It's not a bad landing board. You can put some flowers up there, and you got your, I'm going to make this a little bit wider. Definitely get an inch on that, I think. It's going to be a beautiful little home for these bees. This one here. Alright, well, this is done. Took a couple of hours to finish it. Very easy. Finally, if you're going to get into doing log hives, I definitely recommend getting an excellent chainsaw. Worth the money. This was about $1,000, 28-inch bar, 60cc, auto tune, operates at high altitude, low altitude, very easy to start, and it cuts like butter.